Are you interested in a physical therapy career where you can serve others and glorify God? Cedarville University's physical therapy preparation program will give you the biblical foundation you're looking for and prepare you for graduate studies. This program can be paired with a bachelor's degree, like Cedarville's BA in biology or BS in allied health or exercise science. Whatever you choose, you'll grow both academically and spiritually in a community of fellow believers. At Cedarville, you'll take challenging courses in state-of-the-art facilities, all founded on a biblical worldview. During your time in the Prephysical therapy program, you'll work one-on-one with an advisor to choose courses that will set you up for success in graduate school and your career. When you leave Cedarville, you'll have the technical knowledge you need to continue your studies and biblical basis for the meaningful work that you've chosen for your career. If you're looking for a strong foundation for your physical therapy studies, choose Cedarville's Prephysical therapy program.